Hey you guys, welcome to Silverton Street Eats, mine and Derek's new creation. This is gonna be fantastic. We've been invited to the Old Oak Oven to grab a piece of pizza. We've been here 100 times. You know it's getting 5 stars, but we get some backstage passes and this is gonna be rad. So let's go order a piece. So, you know what, I'm gonna show you one before I doctor it up, because I know how I like my pie. That is the sweet heat. We haven't tried it yet.
You will love it.
Oh, I know I will. A little extra heat never hurt anybody. That acid reflux from putting Tabasco on everything in the service.
Yeah.
Typically, you can get a slice of Margherita pizza in a soda for $6. You upgrade, you get the same thing for $7.50. Can't beat it. Especially if you just want to go spend an evening with friends and family and on a budget, you can still do that in Silverton. In style too, by the way. I'm gonna be that guy on TikTok. Oh my lord. It's sweet and there's some heat.
Yeah? 5 stars worth of... yeah. Looks like you're really loving it.
Christian, do you mind telling us what kind of wood you use?
Oh, so as the name goes, the Old Oak Oven, we only use Oregon white oak.
Hear that, you guys?
Locally sourced. Can't tell you our wood guy because that's kind of a secret. Coming to see how pizza's made?
Yeah, I want to see your
Hey, make sure you ask him something about fishing while you're in there too.
yeah, I want to see your process in here.
All right. Yeah, so this is the Old Oak Oven. This is it.
Okay.
Got our make line, our convection ovens, and our wood-fired oven right there. This is like basically a one-of-one food cart. There's a mix-up between Concessions Nations and California. Those are the 2 people that work together, and they actually hand-built that oven.
Oh, nice.
Yep. And yeah, we've been making pizzas in here. I've been here for about 5 years now. He's been here for what, probably 7 or 8.
Yeah.
Yep. So yeah, this is the basic process. We're gonna be making a margarita. So this is our dough. It's handmade every week by either me or one other person. And yeah, we're gonna make a little margarita.
How'd you guys get started?
So it's actually kind of cool. This business has been a thing since about 2012, right? Yep. 2012. It's gone through 2 different owners. So they just kind of came up with the idea. Thought it'd be cool to have a pizza food cart.
Yeah.
Especially the wood fired. So I believe they built their first cart themselves. So it started out as just like a regular old like camping trailer, and they modified it and made it work for wood fired pizza. It's kind of cool.
I think this newer cart's about 9 years old at this point.
One's 9?
About 9 years old.
So is there other locations?
Nope, this is us.
This is it.
This is
All
it.
right.
Yep, and we are here permanently. Yeah.
Does it get hot in here with the wood oven?
Oh yeah, it gets real hot in here. Yeah. About, what do you say, probably 15, 20 in the summer?
15 over.
15 over whatever the ambient temperature is
outside.
Wow. Yeah. Yep. So last week we had some pretty hot days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you guys keep cool?
Drink lots of water. We keep the air moving. I have the fan turned off behind you, but we have a constant air circulation.
Oh.
And when they designed this cart, they put our AC right above the convection oven, so it just sucks up the hot air. It spits out warm air. It's not the best design. It does get the job done though. Every pizza's hand tossed or hand stretched by either me or him. We're the only 2 people that touch the pizza. Sir.
Awesome.
Failed to catch.
What?
Done it.
All right, let's do it. So is this for individual slices or is this for a full?
This is how we would do up a whole pie.
Okay.
And then at the very end, it gets a nice throw some basil.
In the box it goes.
In the box she goes.
Yeah. There you go.
And there is a Margherita pizza.
Let me grab a photo. It wasn't that hot to me. But I eat a lot of hot stuff.
Right.
Like I eat like super hot wings and stuff like that. So to me, it just didn't seem that hot, but it was really good. Like I always put jalapenos on my pizza. I love to put pineapple on it. So that was the perfect pizza for that. Anyway, I'm gonna go put this in my car real quick.